This is our snowstorm, 2010, February 6th. There's our dog Libby. There's our neighbor's car buried. There's the Jeep, Gabrielle's Jeep. It's all buried, and Trip and Beach are trying to shovel it out. Here's our car. Looking pretty sad in all this snow. I think they said we were supposed to get 28 inches.
Yeah, I don't think it had this much snow when you brought it the first time.
That's a lot of snow. Hey, hon, how you doing?
Baby.
What you doing?
Shoveling snow.
Shoveling snow. Getting a workout?
Getting my workout.
Yeah? I'm gonna go around this way. I can't get through there. All this snow. Can't even see the roads. Roads are blocked. Mailboxes piled up high. Doesn't look like Gabby's going to work today. It's the mound of snow that we're creating here.
Okay, we got the Blizzard 2010 going on here. How much snow? 30 something. 30 something feet. I mean, it's just inches. Just driving around the neighborhood here. We got Trip. We got me. We got the car. Gabby's car. Yeah, not too happy. As you can see, the roads aren't really clear. It's like driving on just a snow path here. It's been snowing since, what do you say, 5 o'clock yesterday?
No, since 9 o'clock yesterday morning.
9 o'clock yesterday morning. And hasn't stopped since. It's kind of lightened up now. That's where there's a car accident back there last time it snowed. Yeah. Good, but you ignored me still like I knew you would. So here we go, Raymar here. About 2 miles from Kingsbrook is where we live. I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling good. I don't even know if I want to go over there. What? I don't know if I want to go over there. Is there a snowplow? You think there's a snowplow over there? Fresh girl. How do you zoom? How do you zoom? There we go. That's sticking up in the middle of the space. It's a caution sign saying not to go through. It's not even a road. Okay. I said it's not even a road. A road. What? Not even a road. I said it's not even a road.